we have another example, and let's take a look what happened in this circuit. Now, current will flow from the meter and is going to split into few currents. Okay, it will go through resistor R1, will go through resistor R2, will go through resistor R3, will go through resistor R4 as well, and it's going to also go to resistor R5. This is maybe a little bit fancy basically picture, but all of them are in parallel. Okay, so we have 5 resistors which are connected in parallel, and we're supposed to find the total resistance. But please notice that those resistances are the same. Okay, of course we can use the formula which we used before. R total is equal 1 over, open parenthesis, 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4 and 1 over R5, close parenthesis, and so on. But when we have all values of the resistors the same, okay, we can use the shortcut. R total in this case is equal the resistance of the resistor, okay, in this case it's going to be what? 5 kilo ohms divided by N, which is equal number of resistors. So I have R is equal how much? 5 kilo ohms over 5 resistors. Okay, so 5 and 5 will cancel out, so I have R total is equal simply 1, and don't forget about kilo ohm. Okay, so this is my solution, and this is going to be basically displayed on my ohm meter.